Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's Child Passenger Safety Week, and we have partnered with the Ad Council and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to get the kids' car seats checked out to make sure everybody's in the right seats, that they are installed correctly. I like to think that I know a lot of things, but I don't know everything, and I am here today to get some help from a certified car seat technician who's going to help and make sure that I've got everybody in their seats safe and secure. We love our kids, we never want anything bad to happen to them, and I personally think that making sure they're in the right seats and installed correctly is one of the easiest ways that you can go above and beyond to make sure your kids are well taken care of.
My name's Sarah Tilton. I'm a National Child Passenger Safety Technician and a current member of the National Child Passenger Safety Board from Fort Mill, South Carolina. Hey, Angela.
Hi.
Hi, Ivy. How are you? All right, before we install Ivy's car seat into the car, if we just place her in,
okay.
We're going to make sure we have the harness positioned in the right place for her.
Okay.
There we go. All right. You'll notice where our harness straps are. Rear facing, we always want the harness to come out of the shell at or slightly below the shoulder.
Okay.
So we're actually going to lower this harness.
Okay.
We'll re-thread it down through the next slot for her. You can go ahead and take Ivy out, and we'll do that real quickly here.
Adjust your seat, baby.
So to change the harness height on this seat, I'm going to turn the seat over and pull it up here. We're going to slide each one of these harness straps off this metal plate. There we go. And I'm going to do one at a time so that I make sure I don't incorrectly thread it. And now I'm going to pull this back up. Slide this back on. Now we're made sure that they're attached. Now we're at a little bit lower height. So when we secure her in her seat, she's going to be at or slightly below. So you can see a big difference there.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Now you will not move up to the next harness until her shoulder is level with this slot.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. We got a ways to grow, sister.
She'll grow quickly.
Oh, buckle me in. I'm going to fall asleep.
Notice on the side of the seat here that there is a level line.
Okay.
And so we're gonna twist the seat so that this line is level to the ground or the running board of your car. That's gonna tell us the appropriate recline angle. This latch webbing for your lower anchors, you'll notice this is your belt path right here. You'll attach each side, attach your lower anchor furthest away from you. And then you can twist your seat into position. Start to attach.
Okay, so,
There you go.
So the little green light means it's,
it's good, it's attached.
Okay.
So now you wanna reach across, line up your blue line to make sure it's looks about level with the ground. So you're gonna pull this strap until you get it nice and tight.
and just pull it straight up.
Pull it straight up as close to the seat as you can. And then once you think you got it tight, at the belt path, you're gonna try to move it left to right and front to back, okay? We're not moving more than 1 inch either way. Up to 1 inch is acceptable. So we've got a nice tight installation.
Right. And don't check it here.
Don't check it back here because we can make it move back here.
Right.
You always check the installation of a car seat at the belt path.
Yeah, and see, I tend to do this and be like, well, it's moving, and think that that's not right, but it's only here.
Right here. Yep. And so now Ivy is ready to get harnessed in. Hey, Miss Ivy. And I'll let you, Mom, go ahead, and we've already positioned her harness, which is at or slightly below her shoulders.
All right, let's find your, all right.
And you are doing a great job at tightening her in. So you want to make sure tightness is always at the collarbone area, and it looks nice and snug. You would not want to be able to pinch webbing up there.
Okay.
And the chest clip is always at her armpit level.
Okay.
So she is good to go.
Look at you.
Yay, Ivy.
You're such a big girl.
Hey Angie, so now with Jonah's new seat, we have an owner's manual that you're going to take home with you for reference later on, and a registration card. It's important you register your seat.
Okay.
That way, in case of a recall, the manufacturer knows to reach out and let you know about that recall. First of all, we want to set Jonah's harness height.
Okay.
And because Jonah rides forward facing, we want it to be at or slightly above his shoulders.
Okay.
Okay. In here, there's a little lever that you push and you pull to loosen the harness. And then to tighten it around him, you just pull here. This red piece here, I pull and raise.
Okay,
and
that's handy, so you don't have to undo all this. You just do this up and down to change the,
Correct.
Okay.
Jonah, could I get you to sit in here for me, please? You gotta sit all the way back for me.
Scoot
Don't
your
worry,
booty
I
all the way to
gotcha.
the back of the seat. Back. There you go.
All right, so that looks good. It's just above his shoulder. All right, buddy,
Cool.
thank you.
Let's get this in the car. Come on.
We're gonna make sure that we attach the top tether.
Okay.
Top tethers play a very important role in a forward-facing car seat installation. And because we don't want it to get sandwiched against the car seat back and the vehicle seat back, we're going to pull that forward
while you install it.
and over the seat.
Okay. That sounds easy enough. Let's get your new seat in, buddy. Okay.
It's a little bit of a heavy seat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squeeze that.
And lift.
Okay.
Okay.
That was easy. Okay. So we've got the seat belt. And I just look for those green.
The green labels, we're gonna go over and behind each armrest.
Okay.
And then buckle up the seat belt.
Okay. There we go.
Let go of it, both hands. You're gonna push this down till you get an audible click.
Ooh, that's satisfying.
At the belt path.
Oh wow, okay. It's nice and tight.
Nice and tight. Now we're going to attach the top tether that we have routed to the anchor point down the back seat. Jonah's good to go. He's ready for you to harness him in.
Okay, cool. Come on, buddy, let's give this a go. Come on, Spider-Man. Okay, come on. Hop in your seat and I'll buckle you up. Big fancy man now, look at you. All right, sit up nice and tall. There you go.
And so you're gonna buckle him in just like you did Ivy.
Okay.
Nice and snug, chest clip at armpit level.
Go there.
He's a very helpful little guy.
It is. All right, sit back so we can get this just where it needs to be. Don't puff out your chest.
So the gray pads can go anywhere around the chest clip. You just need to get the chest clip at armpit level.
Let me see.
Good.
Looks good, man. Yeah.
Nice work, Jonah.
I'm just gonna leave you there, okay? See you later. Bye. Let me loosen you. There you go.
Yeah, I like it in there.
You like it in there?
Yeah.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, I was gonna help you, but high fives work too.
All right, Noah, we are going to get you ready to go into your new booster seat here. Can we weigh you first to see how much you weigh? How about 57 pounds? Does that sound good? Now, if you could stand up nice and straight for me, and let's see how tall you are. Ooh, how about 46.5 inches?
Whoa.
You are 46.5 inches and 57 pounds. This booster seat starts at 40 pounds, so you're good to go. This is a really easy positioning in the vehicle.
Okay.
Just like one of Ivy's seats that we did, it has lower anchors to position the booster seat so it doesn't become a flying object when it's not occupied.
Okay,
all right?
that makes sense.
Noah, we need you to sit in this for us,
Can you have a
please.
seat?
We need to position the height, okay? So we want to get these red belt guides for your shoulder belt of your vehicle, just a little bit above his shoulders.
Okay.
You want to sit back for me?
So you don't want this piece like actually touching.
On his shoulder, he's going to be uncomfortable.
Right.
And this is a little bit above his shoulder to get that shoulder belt properly positioned. All right.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.
All right, hop up for
now
1
we're
second.
ready for mom.
So then I just attach that.
It's going to be a little hard of a push because your seat belt is pretty tight. Okay?
Okay. Hear it. There it goes. Okay, and then I just pull this.
Just pull that until we get some slack out.
Yep.
That's
Just
all
like
there is
that?
to it.
Okay.
Now we're not checking for tightness because
Right.
this is just holding your booster seat in place.
Right. Okay.
So Noah's ready to climb in. You're going to
Yes.
route your
Push you all the
shoulder
way
belt
back.
through that red guide on top of his shoulder. Go all the way to the back and then back forward. There you go.
Okay. There you go. Okay, make sure it's all straight.
Yep.
Just like that.
And he is good to go.
Wait. Can you unbuckle yourself? All right, guys, we are all wrapped up here. I learned so much. There are things that I thought that I knew about car seats that I didn't even know. And obviously, we all as parents want to keep our kids as safe as possible, especially in the car. So I, for one, am really glad that I came. If you guys would like to find out more about making sure your children are in the right seats, making sure they're buckled in correctly into their seats, you can go to NHTSA.gov/TheRightSeat. That's NHTSA.gov/TheRightSeat.